Hello, Kabayan. Now, we will now go to the uh, top 10 priority bill for 28th Congress of Senator Pampilo Lacson. So, meron siyang 10. So, mag-umpisa tayo sa number 1. Expanding the Pantawid Pamilyang Filipino Program or the 4Ps. So, nakalagay rito, Senator Ping Lacson has filed his top 10 priority bill for the 20th Congress reflecting the legislative agenda centered on social protection, national security, youth empowerment, government reform, and digital safety. Magaganda rin yung kanyang priority bill. Pansinin nyo, simula 1 to 10, basahin natin, people's participation in the national budget process. Ayan, napakaganda niyan. Kailangan talaga ng mga Pilipino na mag-participate sa national budget para maiwasan ang corruption. Yan, magaganda yung ano niya. Gusto ko yan. Number 3, new anti-espionage law. Number 4, kabataan magsasaka scholarship. Ito rin maganda yan. Alam niyo kung bakit yung number 4? Kasi mga kabataan ngayon, instead nga mag-divert sila sa mga bagong course like engineering, mga ganun, doctor, lawyer, nurse, IT, yan yung mga sikat. Kasi ang mga kabataan hindi na masyadong demand sa kanila yung pagsasaka kasi mahirap na ang buhay kasi ang pagsasaka talaga sa atin ay talagang hindi kauunlad. Kaya okay to. Kabataan magsasaka scholarship. Number 5, ito pinaka the best na gusto ko na mapasa sa Congress, talaga yung anti-political dynasty. Ayan. Kasi, alam niyo kung bakit? Ginawa ng negosyo ang pagtakbo mga politika. Diba? Yung mga politician, meron silang anak, kamag-anak, asawa, simula sa umpisa hanggang sa dulo, sila-sila rin. Kaya dapat talaga ito ano nyo na, ipasa nyo na yan, mga nasa Congress. Ipasa nyo yung anti-political dynasty dahil nakakagalit na yan. Ginawa nyo ng negosyo, yung pagtakbo, imbes na ibang atupagin nyo, ginawa nyo ng negosyo hanggang sa kanununuhan nyo. Kayo-kayo pa rin ang mga tumatakbo. Wala nang pagbabago, kayo-kayo pa rin. Mahirap pa rin ang bansa natin. Now, we go back to number 6, presidential succession. Number 7, hindi ko masyadong alam yung presidential succession kung para saan yan. Tapos, number 7, GIS voluntary membership. Amendment of the Bank Secrecy Law. Yan, okay din yan. Tungkol sa mga corruption din yan. Amendment of the Philippine Identification System Act. Regulation of the use of the social media platform by minors. Yan, yung number 10, okay din yan. Kasi nalilimitahan natin yung mga bata na gumamit ng social platform na ganito, yung minor. Okay yan, pabor na pabor ako dyan. Magaganda ang kanyang priority bill. Lalong-lalo ni number 5 talaga, the best. So, anuhin natin yan, ipagdasal natin yan, at ating suportahan, talagang suportahan nating mabuti dahil ito ay makakatulong lalong-lalo na sa mga corrupt na official. So, ito pa, basahin ko lang yung kanyang narrative. Leading his proposed measure is the expansion of the Pantawid Pamilyang Filipino Program or the 4Ps, which seek to harmonize the government's social protection initiatives while penalizing the political exploitation of such program. Lacson also filed a bill institutionalizing people participation in the national budget process to prevent repeat of the managing of the national budget behind closed door. Aba, tinatago nyo kasi yung paggagawa ng ganito. On matter of security and governance, Lacson is pushing for a new anti-espionage law, a measure for presidential succession, and an anti-political dynasty bill. He also proposed the Kabataan Magsasaka Scholarship Program to break the cycle of the poverty among farming families by helping their children pursue education and strengthen the country's agriculture and food security. Ang gaganda ng bill niya, So, dapat suportahan natin at ipagdasal na makapasa talaga to, itong bill na to, lalong-lalo na yung number 5 na yan. On matters of security and governance, Lacson is pushing for a new anti-espionage law, a measure of presidential succession, and other key bills include allowing voluntary membership in the Government Service Insurance System or GSIS, amendment to the Bank Secrecy Law and the Philippine Identification System Act, and the regulation of the social media use of minors to ensure greater child protection in the digital space. Napakalaking tulong nito, guys. Sana ipagdasal natin at talagang suportahan natin kung hanggat maaari, wag nating tigilan yung number 5 na yan. Lagi nating banggitin, anti-political dynasty dahil yan ang talagang hindi magandang ginagawa ng mga politician. Napakagandang bill na ginagawa ni Pampilo Lacson. Senator Pampilo Lacson, salamat sa iyo at sa iyong bill. Sana makapasayan at matulungan ka ng kapwa mo, mga senador at mambabatas at magawa yung bill na yan. Salamat at bye-bye.